you are doing great. So today in this video we will see the concept of array, right? So let me search it first. So array, we will see with the help of W3 schools. Okay, so here is the JS array, right? So what is array? Array is actually a sort of object, right? So an array is an object, as I said. So type is designed for storing the data collection, right? We can store any data in this list of data. So an array is a list of values known as elements, right? We say these are elements, right? Because it's a list of values. Okay, ordered array elements are ordered based on their index. What is index? So the elements in the array, they are sequenced in the form of index. So this is 0th index, 1, 2, right? So it starts from 0, 1, 2, right? 0 index, the first element is at index 0. As I said, this is the 0th index, that sab is written here. Okay, the second at 1 and so on, right? Dynamic size, array can grow or shrink as elements can add or remove, right? So it is dynamic. And its heterogeneous array can store elements of different data types. It can store numbers, strings, objects and other arrays, right? So why use array? If you have a list of items, I have a list of names or list of the cars and all, so we can store this kind of data inside the array. So storing name in a single variable, right? We can store it in a single variable instead of storing in different variables. Like if I want to store these all elements, so how could I do that? Like we have to create the variable, no, different variables for different these elements. So instead of storing this in different variables, so we store this in a single variable, that is cars. Okay, I think hope you got the idea what I'm saying. So let's move on to the VS Code. So here is the practice.js file. So I'm copying this array and I'm pasting here. Okay, now what I want to perform some operation on that. So let's start with first we will console.log. I want type. Okay, type of cars. Let's see what it will give. We'll run the terminal. This terminal is, yeah, new terminal I've opened. I save this node and the file name. Right, so it's an object, as we already see this here. It's an object, so we have already checked the type, so it's an object type, right? Yeah, now next is so there are methods, right? So we will check the methods one by one. So the length property, right? Length property, what the length property does is, we will check it. Okay, if I console.log and cars length means this array length. Now we'll run this. See, 3, length is 3, 1 2 3, length is 3 but indexing starts from 0 1 2. Okay, next is we have a string. Method return the elements of an array is a comma separated the string. Okay, let's do this. I'll create the variable for this string equals cars dot to string. It's a function, so we'll run this command again. Okay, I'm not console this. See, it's giving this in string format. Okay, if I print the car, see, if I print the car, see, here it's giving in array format, but I want this in a string format, so I can convert this like this. Okay, so it's a function basically. Next we have, if I want let's say some specific elements, so how could I get that element? So I'll log this and cars. Let's say if I want second element, right? So now we'll check which is the second element here. BMW. See, 0 1 2 as per indexing. Okay. So these are basically the methods. Okay, so here is another method, that is pop method remove the last element from an array. So we'll do that. If I do console, I'm not storing the value, I'm just doing directly the log only. Okay, so please understand this. What is the pattern? Now if I print the car, if I log the car now, see, it's remove the element from last. So pop helps to remove the elements from last. Okay, there is push also. So push method adds a new element to an array. So okay, let's do this. Cars dot push. What I want to push? I want to push let's say let's say Kia Seltos. Okay, so if I do the console this car here, now we'll see the result. See, it added Kia Seltos. Okay, so push helps to add something inside an array from the last. Pop helps to remove the last. Okay, and next we have shift. Shift method remove the first array element and shift all the other elements to the lower index, right? So let's see what the shift will do. I'm putting inside this only shift. Let's see what it will do. If I do cars and see, have you seen the changes? This remove this from beginning and this shift from here, right? So what the definition said, what shift is do? The shift method remove the first array element and shift all the other element to the lower index, right? Next we have unshift. What unshift do? Unshift method add a new element to an array at the beginning. Okay, so it will add this lemon in the beginning. If I copy this, let's see. If I console this fruit, let's see what it will show. See, in this array lemon is not there, but we do fruit dot shift lemon and I console this, so it added in the beginning of the array, right? Next we have it will give we can also add in this like this. If I want to add kiwi in the beginning, so I can add this like this. See, if I copy this and I paste it here and save it. Now I'll console it again. See, so this is the direct method. Okay, so we can add like this in the beginning. Let's say if I want to add this in second number, so what is the second number will be 0 1 2 after orange. Okay, so see, after orange it add the kiwi. Okay, so this is the basic array methods. Hope you got it. If you like my videos, please do like and share. If you have any kind of a doubt, please ask. Okay, so yeah, signing off. Bye, take care.